What's up guys, in this video I will be making a withdrawal from the free Litecoin mining sites which we have been using for a very long time right now. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our videos. Alright, so let's head over to the site and do a withdrawal. Now guys, please make sure to watch these videos concerning this trick project. It's a very powerful project that I want you guys to take advantage of. It's a very good crypto upcoming crypto blockchain project, and it's very cool because it has a lot of potential. The whole thing about this crypto hustle is to accumulate good coins from good projects, ahead of the next bull run. So guys, check out those videos as well. Now let's head over to the free Litecoin sites and make a withdrawal. Alright, so guys, as usual, we just have to go to wallets right here. Okay, then once it opens up, as you can see, there's my balance right here, and this is how much I've withdrawn so far. And you scroll down, I think it's been over a week since the last time I withdrew. Yeah, over a week. So what we do now is we click on the withdraw button. Always pay attention to this right here. If you have less than this, please do not you can't withdraw. And also, if you have 0.001, don't withdraw to Binance. Alright, if you have less than 0.001. So what I have here is 0.005. So I just have to click on this, mean I want to withdraw everything. Then this is just going to be the little fee that will be charged. Then I can paste in my address, confirm the instructions, and I click on withdraw LTC. And in some minutes, after some minutes, I'm going to see it on my Binance wallet. Okay, this is actually one of the withdrawals I've been doing. As you can see, I've been withdrawing for some time now, and it has always been credited to my Binance account. Okay, so guys, that is the video for today. Guys, please don't forget to watch these videos. Those streak projects be videos, very powerful projects, very powerful upcoming blockchain. They have a lot of utilities, they have a lot of things coming up, the wallets, the nodes, and everything. Just check out the video on how it works. Okay, this one right here will show you how it was, the presentation from the CEO, and also this one will give you an insight of my own personal review. Okay, and this is how you can get started as well. Guys, subscribe to this channel and have a lovely day ahead. Thank you.